Hello, cybersecurity enthusiasts. Welcome to our video on mastering vulnerability management using the CIS Benchmark and STIG. I'm your host, the Cyber Guy, and I'll be guiding you through the best practices to secure your system and prevent attack. From our previous videos, we discussed how attack works, and today we are going to just show you how to prevent them. Now, are you ready to secure your stuff? Buckle up and let's get started.
Learn cybersecurity in no time.
I have both the STIG and the CIS benchmark open in front of me. So what is the CIS benchmark, or what are the CIS benchmark? So the CIS benchmark is the Center of Security benchmark. They are like industry accepted standard for securing system and network. So they provide a comprehensive framework for hardening your system and ensure your systems are configured to prevent attack. For example, if you want to know how secure your system is, you can actually come to teach benchmark right here and then see what's going on. So I'm going to take a few examples with you. So for example, if your application, your solution, they are on a cloud providers, you can actually come right here, you click on cloud provider, and then from here you're gonna see all the major clouds, and then you have Alibaba, you have Amazon Web Services or AWS, you have Google, you have Microsoft, Azure, etc. For example, if I have an application on AWS or Amazon Web Services, I can actually click on that, and then from there I can actually download the benchmark. Once you click on that, they are going to ask you for some information like your name, the organization that you're working on. If you're a student, you can actually fill out the form and then get that benchmark. And then I'm telling you, once you get that benchmark, you're gonna see a step-by-step on how to configure your AWS services. Once you fill out the form, you're going to receive an email, and then that's gonna just give you access to all the CIS benchmark. And then you can actually come, for example, for AWS, you can actually come here and check out what's going on, and they tell you what's going on for every single AWS service. I can take an example. For example, let me see if I search in S3, S3, which is a simple storage services. Yeah, and when you click on it, you can actually see they're gonna tell you how to secure an S3 bucket, and then you know what you have to do. And you know what's cool about it, they tell you the description, why it is an issue, the rationale, and what you can do about it. So it is pretty cool, and you can do that for almost everything. You can do that for cloud services, for networking, for operating system, etc. So you can just go back, do the same for Azure or whatever your operating system is. For example, it's the same for network devices. If you have a network devices, you can actually come here and then choose whatever benchmark. If you're on Palo Alto, you can just download the benchmark and then go inside your Palo Alto to see how secure you already is. And they even have operating systems. If you want to see how secure Linux is, Windows, etc., you can actually come here and then deep dive and see how secure your systems are. And for STIG is a little bit different. STIG is the Security Technical Implementation Guide. It's like a bunch of guidelines created by the US Department of Defense to secure system and network. So STIG complements like CIS benchmark by providing additional security controls and configurations. So if you come to STIG is kind of very straightforward. So you don't have to download anything. It's kind of tell you what is wrong. As you can see, they have the NIST 800-50. So if you do not know what the NIST CIS-50 is, just I would highly recommend you can just copy that and go to Google and download that PDF to read through it. And then they have all the information here. For example, if I were to just like see what access control is, you can actually click on that, and then from there they can just tell the priority, the impact every single thing has. But even though I like STIG, but my preference is the CIS benchmark, because for me, from a personal experience, the CIS benchmark can actually it's more comprehensive to just show you what is wrong with the system and how to just implement it. So by implementing the CIS benchmark and STIG, you're doing the following: you're reducing the risk of cyber attack, improve your system security and compliance, and meet industry regulation and standards. Because in the IT field, we have regulation. If you're handling like users' data, there's a way that you have to just manage that. So that's it. By mastering the vulnerability management with CIS Benchmark and STIG, you'll be well on your way to securing your system and prevent attack. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more cybersecurity content. Until next time, happy learning.